Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, English, Grade 2, Quarter 3, Lesson 1, Day 1. Our topic for today is about rhyming words, chants, CVCE word patterns, high-frequency words, and polite expressions. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Identify high-frequency words. Recognize rhymes in chants listened to. Decode words with CVCE patterns accurately and automatically. Use common expressions and appropriate polite expressions for a given situation. Sing the community song with your teacher. A. Vocabulary building. A community refers to a group of people belonging or living in one place. People living in the same community have similarities like the languages they speak. It includes all the areas in one's neighborhood too. Everyone in the community helps each other out and treats each other kindly. Volunteer. During hard times or natural disasters like typhoons, we can volunteer. To volunteer means to spend time helping each other for free. For example, we can volunteer to set up places for people to stay in during the storm when their own houses got flooded. Neighbors. Neighbors. People in the community that live near us are called neighbors. B. Decoding reading. 1. Decoding practice. Practice reading the following words prior to reading the text. First column, long A sound. Second column, long I sound. Let's read the first column. Save, save, safe, safe, make, make, name, name, Jake, Jake, brave, brave, flame, flame. Now let's go on with the second column with long I sound. Ride, ride, time, time, 9, 9, 5, 5, like, like, fire, fire, fine, fine, drive, drive. 2. Motivation and motive. Class, we are going to read a text about a community helper. Before we start, can you give examples of people in your community and what they do? Some people can volunteer to help, just like the character in our story. While we read, pay attention to who the community helper is and how he or she helps the community. Think about why they do it. What is their motive? 3. During reading, read the text aloud to the students, then do a choral reading of the text with the whole class. Our story for today is about Jake the firefighter. Jake is a brave man. Everyone knows his name. He is a firefighter. He drives a big red truck. He works from 9 to 5. He is always on the clock. He spends his time helping our neighbors. He puts out fires. He saves people and homes. He warns students about flames. He even let us ride in his truck sometimes. I like Jake. He makes the community safe. When I grow up, I want to be a fine man like Jake. Questions. 1. What is the name of the firefighter in the story? Answer. A. Jake. 2. What does he drive? Answer. B. Red truck. 3. Why is the job of a firefighter important? Answer. C. He keeps the community safe. Now, let us identify the trait that best describes Jake. First column, Jake's actions. Second column, traits. First, he works from 9 to 5. He is always on the clock. Traits: hardworking. Second, he saves people and homes. Traits: brave. Third, he spends his time helping our neighbors. Traits: helpful or caring. Post reading. 1. Answer the motive question. Jake helps the community because he wants to keep people and homes safe. 2. Do you agree that Jake is brave? Why or why not? Answer: yes, Jake is brave because he faces fires and dangers to help others. 3. Aside from being brave, what other qualities do you think a firefighter should have? Answer: a firefighter should also be kind, helpful, strong, and careful. 4. In the story, the narrator wants to be a firefighter. Would you like to be one too? Why or why not? Answer: yes, because I want to help people and keep them safe. Class, we will divide you into 3 groups. Each group will have tasks to complete. Work together with your group and finish the task as a team. Group 1, Character Profile. Write down the details that they have learned about the character and his job. Drawing of the character, name, job or profession, task or skills, physical appearance, and personality traits. Group 2, Certificate of Appreciation. Complete a certification of appreciation for the character. Group 3, Job Posting. Complete a job posting for a fireman position using the details they have learned from the text. A. Polite expressions. What would you say to Jake in the following situations? And here's the 5 situations. Let's answer. First, you saw him walking on the streets. Answer: good morning, Jake. Second, he helped you during a fire accident. Answer: thank you, Jake. Third, he taught you not to play with matches, but you did not obey his warning and caused a fire. Answer, I'm sorry, Jake. Fourth, you wanted to ask his permission so you could ride his fire truck. Answer, may I ride your fire truck, please? Fifth, you wanted to ask him a question about fire safety when he visited your school, but he was talking to the principal. Answer, excuse me, Jake. Remember, we have different polite expressions we can use when we communicate to others, especially to people of authority like firefighters. This shows our respect towards them. B. Review of CVCE patterns. What is the name of the firefighter in the story? Jake and name are examples of words with a long A sound pattern, following the magic E rule. Practice reading the following list of words with long A. Let's read. Cane, same, fade, days, date, take, name, cave, make, gave, haze, wave, rake, gate, bake, save, ape, game, tape, ate, made, lake, came, cake. At what time does Jake report to work? Time, 9, and 5 are examples of words with a long E. Sound pattern following the magic E rule. Let's practice reading the following list of words. Long I. Bite, dine, nine, ride, vine, mile, dime, pipe, hike, time, life, 5, kite, side, mine, hide, lime, pile, pine, tide, wide, fine, bike, like. Reminder, community refers to a group of people belonging or living in one place. People living in the same community have similarities like the languages they speak. It includes all the areas in one's neighborhood too. Everyone in the community helps each other out and treats each other kindly. Match the phrases and sentences, highlighting the CVCE long A and long I target words with the correct illustrations. First sentence, the game is hard for Nate. Answer. Second picture. Second sentence, the 5 pops make a long line. Answer. The first picture. For your homework, bring pictures of community helpers. These can be real people from your community. Be ready to describe the pictures and tell us about them in class.
Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe
Para sa higit pang educational content, i-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!